It's Slim and Vix here at Wrap Sesh. We just finished wrapping up this Toyota 4Runner behind us, along with a coating from the Diamond Pro Tech Vinyl and PPF coating kit. This is one of our favorite coatings to put down on wrap because...
Many reasons. First reason, it's easy to use.
Very user-friendly and not finicky and kind of like a one-size-fits-all. So regardless of if you have a matte finish or a matte black, for example, or a satin or a gloss, it doesn't really matter what color or what print. It goes down very, very easy.
Yeah, I mean, you can still streak it and stuff if you don't use it right, but it's very easy to use and you don't usually get those streaks that you would with the other products.
We've dabbled with a lot of different ceramic coatings and some of them are like really not good for wrap. Like you specifically have to buy the wrap ones, but even so, they can be very finicky and difficult, and if you don't put them down good, they get very streaky.
And the flash times are quick.
Yeah.
So you have to like hurry and get it back off.
This one's just like really easy to smash out really fast with a bunch of hands. Also with these coatings, like they're very, very easy upsell. This coating is meant to be an 18-month protection. So that means you have a client coming back every 18 months to do a touch-up coating. And you can sell these anywhere from like $300 to $500 for a full vehicle. And it takes you maybe an hour tops. So it's very, very high profits.
Especially after like 2 people, you can just like
you can just
get it done pretty quick.
Slam it out.
Yeah.
And then ways that you can sell this to your customer. I mean, coatings sell themselves. Really, what I tell people is that your wrap is going to look better for longer.
Well, especially here in Arizona, we're
fighting the sun.
UV's pretty harsh.
Yeah. So the coating, the biggest benefit is going to be that UV protection, but also it's scratch resistant, hydrophobic. Your favorite word?
Oleophobic.
Which means it repels oils, tire sap and bird dropping resistant, water beading. So it's gonna make the wrap easier to maintain for the client and easier to detail, but it's gonna also protect it and make it last longer.
Yes.
So it's like a win-win from all sides. You guys can get this on their website. It's Diamond Pro Tech Vinyl and PPS coating.